Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 26th March 2026. Iran has allowed vessels from friendly countries including India, China, Russia, Iraq and Pakistan to pass through the Strait of Hormuz, the Iranian Foreign Ministry said on Thursday. The move follows UN Secretary General's call to reopen the strait, warning that its prolonged closure is disrupting oil, gas and fertilizer supplies and worsening global economic and humanitarian impacts. Jio Platforms is preparing for a $4 billion IPO, offering a partial exit for its 14 global investors, including Meta and Google. The offer for sale will see early shareholders trim approximately 8 to 8.5% of their stakes, reducing their combined holding to about 30% post-IPO. Reliance Industries will maintain its 67% ownership. Shares of companies that own Indian Premier League or IPL teams surged up to 20% on Wednesday after Royal Challengers Bangalore or RCB got new owners in a Rs 16,660 crore deal, boosting the market value of other teams in the world's richest cricketing property that has surged about 25 times since the first edition in 2008. Aditya Birla Group, the Times of India, publishers of the Economic Times, Bolt Ventures and a Blackstone fund acting in consortium acquired current champions RCB for $1.78 billion. United Spirits, a subsidiary of Diageo, exited the franchise. The central bank is developing more digital public infrastructure and payments intelligence platforms by leveraging artificial intelligence and application programming interfaces to enhance customer experience and strengthen the payments ecosystem. The central bank is considering deploying artificial intelligence to enhance customer journeys and automate grievance handling as digital transaction volumes continue to increase. Such systems enable institutions to save both time and resources by addressing issues without manual intervention, particularly as payment volumes continue to grow rapidly. Exports of laptops and personal computers have grown at a whopping CAGR of 106% in the past 5 years to touch $669 million in the period April to January of the current financial year. India is emerging as a fast-growing exporter of IT hardware, supported by rising domestic manufacturing, supply chain realignments, and strong global demand for computing devices. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI, has introduced ease of doing business measures by relaxing certain reporting requirements applicable to stockbrokers. Under the revised framework, stockbrokers that are banks or primary dealers are required to report only those bank accounts that are used for stockbroking activities. The requirement for reporting demat accounts has been rationalized and streamlined with a shift in responsibility. Stock exchanges and depositories will now ensure compliance with reporting requirements and facilitate information sharing and verification. This reduces duplication of efforts by brokers and leverages institutional infrastructure. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.